Hi everyone, here we've got Vivo V20 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, the most important thing is the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi. Then we can enter the Play Store, so let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on this circle, which is simply our account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to enter Manage. And here we've got all apps and games. Let's tap on Updates Available, and we've got 22 apps which can be updated, as you can see. And all you have to do in order to update the app is to mark it. So I will mark the Gmail. As you can see, it is marked. What's more, after tapping on this arrow, you can check what's new in this update. So for example, in the Gmail, we've got some bug fixed. And of course, you can mark as many as you want to. If you want to update them, just tap on this update icon, let's say in the right upper corner. And as you can see, right now this update is pending, so and your device is downloading it right now. And after that, it will automatically apply it, so the app will be updated. So actually, this is it. This is how to update apps in your Vivo V20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.